Pepper steak. Ingredients: 2 New York strip steaks 350 grams each. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, or to taste. 2 tablespoons whole black peppercorns. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/4 cup finely minced shallots. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 3 sprigs fresh thyme, plus more for garnish, optional. 1 cup heavy cream. Preparation: pat steaks dry with paper towels. Season on both sides with sea salt. Break the whole peppercorns into small pieces. The pieces are fairly uniform and coarser than ground black pepper. Press the cracked pepper onto both sides of the steaks. Let them stand at room temperature for about 20 minutes. Heat butter and olive oil in a 10-inch iron skillet over medium-high heat. When the butter stops sizzling and the oil is hot, reduce the heat to medium and carefully add the steaks to the hot oil. Cook about 3 minutes per side. Remove the steaks from the pan, tent with aluminum foil to keep warm. In the same skillet, add minced shallots and cook until softened, about 2 minutes. Add the garlic and thyme sprigs, cook until fragrant, about 20 seconds. Stir in the cream and continue cooking until the sauce thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Slice the steaks thinly on the diagonal and place them on the sauce. Garnish with additional thyme sprigs, if desired. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 223. Fat 15 grams. Carbs 3 grams. Fiber 2 grams. Sugars 2 grams. Protein 16 grams. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Enjoy!